I got more new parts for the side-by-side. Don't tell a life. Alright, this is my 2013 Kawasaki Teryx4, and this is my new windshield that I got from StarknightMT. I've been running the little half windshield for a long time, but I wanted to try a full windshield. So, alright, here's the little mounting brackets, I guess you'd call it. It's Velcro. Looks super easy. Let's get them set on here. Looks like they just pop in here. I'm going to leave those kind of loose until I get them all in there, make sure everything's in the right spot. Alright, that's all there is to it. That is really easy. Fits nice. I like these little quick clamps because if I want to take this off for transport, because it's on an open trailer, so if I wanted to take that off, I mean, it's 5 minutes to take that windshield off real quick. Throw it in the back of my truck or something. I like it. Fits nice. It's not hitting anything it shouldn't be. Tucks nicely in here. Put new parts on it without going and testing it. So came out here to my local off-road park. So gonna let my son ride his dirt bike around and take the side-by-side out for a couple rides.